Good morning. It's my last few days here left in Thailand. I am in Chiang Mai. I've been in Chiang Mai now for a couple days, and I have a couple days before I leave to Bangkok before I start that long trip home. I thought today I would kind of take you through what my days look like because my last few days here, they just seem to be like flying by. And I really wanted to spend a lot, not a lot of time, but a good amount of time just relaxing, meditating, catching up on videos, like just enjoying being in Chiang Mai. But my days are busy and are flying by. It's 7:30 right now. I'm dressed and ready to go. I just got to throw on my sandals and we're going to run over to Buak Hard. I don't even know if I'm saying it. The park that I love so much here in Chiang Mai. And there's a sound bath healing session from 8 to 9:15. And then from 9:30 to 10:45, I will probably end up staying and doing the Hatha yoga right after. Right there, that takes up the first, almost from the time, I'm getting up out the door until it's all done and wrapped up, the first 3 hours of my day are doing what is good for me. All right, so I'm going to take you with me today on what a typical day here for me has been in Chiang Mai so that you can see. All right, let's go. This is my room at the Rendezvous Classic House where I've been staying. I can smell bacon. I paid $3.59 for the week, which is way more than I spent the entire time that I was in Thailand, but it was my last week, so I splurged a little bit, and I absolutely loved my stay here. One of the reasons I chose to stay at the Rendezvous Classic House is because it's so close to my park that I love, 4 or 5 minute walk. I mean, and look at the backdrop. I'm here at the park now, and it's just so full of activity. It's hard not to be inspired to come here in the morning and work out. And I'm gonna go rent a yoga mat, and I don't have to carry mine around all day. Plus mine's cut a little bit shorter. It's 20 baht, which is what, 40 cents or something, to rent a yoga mat, and then I just bring my travel towel to lay over it. All right, let me go get my yoga mat before they're all gone. As usual, on my way back to my room, I stumbled across this temple, which was way more than a temple, as you can see, with all the beautiful lanterns and so much more. I'm just going to show you the highlights on this one. It's just so beautiful walking underneath all of these brightly colored lanterns. I'm at the night market, and this table is just full of rings, and you just pick through them and choose the 1, 2, or 5 that you want. you.